My dearest of friends, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods here in Berkeley, California. And today it is our privilege, our honor to share with you a pistachio almond walnut smoothie, if you can relate to that. And it's part of our forthright concept that especially in times such as these, we have to do as much as possible to vivify ourselves. And why not start with what's closest at hand, and that's the food we eat. We can't do very, very much out there about tariffs, about inflation, about the ever-present threat of war that is all so very, very, very tragic indeed. But at least in our own selves, we can get it together and be exceedingly conscious about the food we eat. And may I say, in my own self, I eat alive organic food right through the week. I begin each week from Sunday night through Tuesday morning. I fast. I fast on water. It makes the rest of the week possible for me. And then I eat alive food. But for one day a week, I eat cooked food. And that's the regime that I follow, and it works so very, 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 very well for me indeed. So let's begin. Let's begin by putting some spring water, maybe a cup or two, in our blender. And of course, if you're concerned about health and vitality, one does not drink tap water in these United States, but spring water always. And then let's, as a base, we have some frozen bananas. So let's add frozen bananas. And then to thicken things up, always chia seeds, but of course, a food of Native Americans. It gave them tremendous strength and endurance, enabled them to cross long stretches of desert in the Southwest with just a handful of chia seeds and some water. And now, our privilege to share our pistachio butter, made from pistachios grown here in California by a wonderful family farmer. It is our privilege and our honor to support family farmers, especially in times such as these. They're under so much stress. They're faced with so many challenges. We happen to love the family farmers that we work with, and we're proud. We're proud of the fact that in our 46 years of operation, we have stood by the family farmers that we work with, and with some of them, we've been working with them as long as 20 years or so. The best of people, our privilege to work with them. So we have our base of frozen bananas and pistachio butter. And now we're going to add a bit of our alive organic walnut butter. Walnuts have been getting a great deal of publicity of late for their, and rightly so, for their health-giving properties. So our walnut butter. And, of course, the pillar of our business, our alive organic almond butter, made from almonds grown by a farming family of 5 generations on this California earth. So, and let's give this a play. So we have pistachio butter, walnut butter, almond butter. And now, what about a bit of honey? And some Vermont maple syrup. But of course, it adds so much richness to the flavor. A pinch of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt to heighten things. Okay. And now some of our living tree magnificent walnuts grown by a family farmer, but of course Ferrari Brothers here in California. Aren't these walnuts simply gorgeous? And of course, the foundation of our business, our almonds. The family farmers that grow this have 500 acres and 70,000 trees. Imagine almond trees grown in the alluvial soil of the Great Central Valley, once an inland sea, and the waters originate. Almonds take a lot of water, and the waters originate in snowmelt in the high Sierras. So let's roughly chop. And now we're going to take our mixture of California walnuts and almonds and add them. So here we have it. A smoothie, alive and organic, pistachio, walnuts, and almonds. And as they say, tasting is believing. So, brothers and sisters, we drink to your vitality, to your good health, to your prosperity and success. One can sense the life forces, the vivacity. So let us go forward, brothers and sisters. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below and even give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and critiques are treasured by us. We want to hear from you. Thank you. It has been my privilege to share. Let us go forward.